đây đi ăn ở Pepper Pot mà
mai dớn bên này chỉ mua hết rồi chỉ mua đấy mua kê đại mua kê đấy bên kia là xe chỉ máy đồng bè dừng bọn bay đi chân dư thay dân an tầm lệ anh ấy nhé con ăn cái an bán con ăn
bà lý vậy
nhiều đi thay mua tại mua tệ
Thái
เจ้าพญาพระพานิช
Thái
ร่วมประนิจนิตอิทธทานเชฟเจดีย์สามะโพธิเกษาธิบาทโอ้สาธุปีไหนเจ้าคะ What year is this
I don't clear about the year but I know only the but about my look but about my look
สาธุสาธุ
as I told you but most my look is the kind of duration that there are seven people or seven relatives on the look còn trục trôm vào phê tràn của con phê thế thì lại còn phê cá nó bây giờ gì mai không đánh trành là đánh trành thấy con nó và tam nó thay chia một phê con chữ máy đấy phần này đào phê con trục trôm nó còng cá anh em cùng bằng thay như đó về tay chữ máy này đào phê tràn tận nó một trái cá ở thay thế này tập tập một tiếp ban chia dương ban ai từ đây chỉ thay từ bên đất quạt được như mà nói sinh trên tận á quạt mà trong rosa quạt càng chán quạt từ nơi thayนี่ก็อันนั้นใหญ่ไทยทำให้ถึงก็อ่านไทยไอ้เราเป็นจังเตอร์บ้านเมียนใส่เงียดบอกก่อนนะเราเป็นกับเตอร์ไทยจะเราจังเตอร์อยู่จังเตอร์ใส่เงียดโกนเจ้ากอดมาเลยมาไอ้กอดมาเลยมาเอาไหนมาเรามา
แต่คนเนี้ยเด็กจูดูดานู่นแหละค่ะเถยไวเถยปลาเถยตัวเองนั่นนานั่นเนี่ยเด็กจูหัวไอ้ที่ขนาดเล็กน้อย
ใช่ไงโยมเราก็ต้องตัวสามจำมือมาเอาชกทอดจำอ้อยมือสิเมียน
กอดตัวในสอนอะไรกันมาได้
เราสเตย์ไปยัง
ทำไมเมียนวิดเอาจากมาเอามือนั่งจะได้นั่งยื่นอาจบางมือบานเนี่ยมันถ่ายอย่างมันจิตเชิงจังไง
seal
we cannot open don't know the really door we cannot open
yeah okay I see yeah I see what he talking about
this is not the old one
yeah the build we build to cover up
I don't know but the money get from of both of from the Thai people and the old chief of the monk they prepare again
cái cây về sắc xịt là sắc xịt là chỉ Buddha statue in there sắc xịt là like I told you
បន្ទាប់ពី
How do you translate?
he's like very royal
The name?
like yeah they come and like to help yeah so this
and this one it is a kind of the name of the pagoda also Indra Thipadi
it
then
how you say it I don't know Cambodian to say but I got it
Indra Thipadi here Indra Thipadi it is a kind of the big one yeah the big
like
one
I said,
the big one when yeah and Indra here it is a kind of the king of the Teva Indra Thipadi
okay
Indra Thipadi នេះតាមក៏ពិតមិនមែនជាសំស្ក្រឹតទេជាសំស្ក្រឹតក៏ត្រូវដែរ Indra Thipadi នេះខ្ញុំ Indra Thipadi ប៉ុន្តែដល់ច្រើនខ្មែរហើយនៅថៃហ្នឹងគឺអម្បូរសឹងតែមួយទេពីដើមមកដែលយើងបែកគ្នាណាយើងច្រើនតែប្រើភាសាសំស្ក្រឹតបូកគ្នាជាមួយនឹងភាសាបាលីអញ្ចឹងឈ្មោះអីហ្នឹងដល់ច្រើនយើងមានឥទ្ធិពលពីសំស្ក្រឹតនិងបាលីវត្តសពថ្ងៃវត្តយើងនៅខ្លងទ្វារហ្នឹងគឺមានវត្តឈ្មោះវត្តហ្នឹងវត្ត Indra Thipadi Indra Thipadi ហ្នឹងបើយើងនិយាយជាភាសាបាលីឬភាសាសំស្ក្រឹត Indra Thipadi The name of the pagoda
เขาจะรีบไปที่อื่นก็เลยขอบพระคุณมากนะเจ้าค่ะที่เมตตา
ខ្ញុំញោមថាចង់ឃើញនេះញោមទៅណាប្រហែលឲ្យគាត់មើលបន្តិច